Well, I think it's time to show the Deadbolt a little bit of love. Now this happened the last time I tried to climb the dam. It rolled down and it bent this axle. It actually ripped it right out of the housing there, and there's part of the bearings. In this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace it with these RC all-wheel drive extended chromoly axles. Now these are 4.5 millimeters longer than stock. As you can see, that bearing is pretty much ripped apart. So I bought a cheap set of sealed bearings, 20 pieces in this set. While I'm at it, I have this metal drive shaft and I'm gonna replace these plastic ones here. I'm still running the plastic drive shafts. So there's the plan for this video. Let's get started. Okay, so looking what comes in the pack here, we have 2 rear axles, then we have 2 front axles, they're CVD, and then you get 4 brass weights. You also get 4 wheel nuts and 4 pins. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the rear axles just because they're the easiest. All right, the Deadbolt is back. We have all 4 wheels on now. Not quite as wide as it was because we could not put these hex extensions on. That was one disadvantage. If you're running stock width and you put these on, these are 4.5 millimeters wider than stock on each side. So you get 9 extra millimeters of width with these RC all-wheel drive extended axles. So I do have a few bearings left over here, but I didn't use them all because there's other places where they could be used. And now there's one thing left to do, and that is change these plastic drive shafts with these metal ones. Okay, well, there we go. We got the axles replaced. And this thing crawls pretty good with the new axles. This might be the last video that you see this as the Deadbolt. We're going to get rid of the Deadbolt body and we're going to turn this into a rock bouncer. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see some more SCX24 content. I got more coming, including an attempt to climb the dam. But thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.